broad range to look at this problem that we've looked to tackle. Starting from a bit of background, because when you look at a web app, we all see the front end, but what we don't know is the infrastructure which is behind this. These infrastructures are huge, consume a hell of a lot of energy, and create a massive carbon footprint. A bit of comparison there. Data servers actually produce more CO2 emissions than the entire aviation industry. This is set to double by 2020, and when it doubles, it will account for 4% of the world's CO2 emissions. So it's a huge number. So this is the challenge we look to tackle, so we need to reduce this number. Now we look at the sort of providers that are out there at the moment, and through this matrix we look at technical providers through to simple, and ones who are wasteful with like energy resources through to B&K. So we've sort of identified an area where we could be seeing a gap in the market. So we believe like Cloudlet will solve this issue.
Okay, so at Cloudlet, we want to change the way that businesses, big and small, do computing. So at the moment, data center processing is done mostly by large data centers, powered by fossil fuel, and even more energy goes into cooling these data centers than powering them. So our system is built on a collection of existing tools such as Docker, CoreOS, Vagrant, and it provides efficiency savings from 30 to 60% on computing cycles, energy, and by inference cost. So this gives a quick overview of how our main tool, Docker, solves the problem. You can see here, very complicated system which transitions to a very simple system. So in essence, our system, Cloudlet, compresses servers to save companies money. A quick overview of what the benefits to our customers would be. You've got that 30 to 60% saving in cost. You'll get the extra reduction in spend on the types of technical expertise that you need to access the cloud resources. You've got instant scalability and increased reliability. And as an added bonus, you'll get added corporate social responsibility and the sustainability of our platform.
Alright, so in addition to this website, we also built a number of other developments. We tied in the API. We launched our first web app for a startup on the platform. In addition, we also built this proof of concept. We launched the largest available compute instance on Amazon and created a bunch of SSD instances as well. Created 200 servers in less than a minute. We launched a barrage of page views, 5.2 billion page views a month for $468 a month. So essentially, you can run all of Tumblr with 3 of these systems. You can run all of WordPress for 4 of these systems, and all of Pinterest for 5 of these systems. So we're remarkably reducing the costs. Here we're looking at the savings at scale. This is just in terms of for a startup. Our operational cost is about less than 1/3% at 0.325 cents. The cost or the price that we charge would be about 2.5 cents an hour. And Amazon Web Services for a similar scale is currently charging 6.5 cents an hour. So we're getting a profit margin of 87%, and we're also providing savings of 62% to the end user. All right. In terms of the roadmap for marketing, there's a huge number of open source projects that are currently out there. From Twitter, from Netflix, each of these has more than 100 open source projects. And a lot of startups want to adopt these, but they don't necessarily have the technical expertise. So essentially for us, we can compact these into our containers that can be spread anywhere and immediately. The response is in seconds or less than a second. And we can create this image library from these open source projects and then launch for startups and also for corporations. We can create partnerships with startup organizations. We work with some of the startups here at Startup Weekend in Glasgow. And there was a significant interest in using our platform for launching startups. We also are in touch with a number of corporate connections that we have in Cloudlet, Morgan Barclays, Amazon here. And there is significant interest both in Docker and in our platform. In terms of sources of uses, we're looking for an investment that would give us a runway of 24 months. About 70% of that is really our people. The team is the most costly part and the most important part. 15% of that would be for marketing, relationship management, 15% for office infrastructure utilities, and essentially, given our environments for the servers, the cost for servers is 0. In terms of break-even, it really requires just 2 large startups for our team, and that would be enough to satisfy that.
All right, thank you.